Your girlfriend is probably micro cheating on you and don't even realize that. Any of it, you don't realize anything. तो मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ and what I'm trying to say right now, I'm gonna explain this थोड़ी देर में, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ ना तुम थोड़ा concept समझो हर एक चीज का कि मैं ये चीज क्यों कह रहा हूँ कि your girlfriend is probably micro cheating on you and don't even realize that. Now let me be very honest with you, ठीक है? Before I hop on to that और तुम मुझे गालियां देने लगो कि बहन मेरी तो लॉयल बंदी है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तो लॉयल है, आप क्यों कह रहे हो ये सब? Please watch this video first and then comment down your thoughts, ठीक है? First of all, let me start with the simple concept that society has induced for all of the dating factors. Okay, the very first one is monogamy and polygamy. Okay, so basically they're like two different, I would say, relationship structures. Okay, let me talk about them for some time. Okay, what usually happens in that is that in monogamy a person has one romantic or sexual partner at a time. Okay, and this is the most common relationship model in many countries. Example, a husband and a wife who are exclusively coming to each other. For example, तुम लोग भी relationship में होगे, तुम्हारे माँ बाप, they were in a monogamous relationship. Okay, they were married with each other, बहुत शुरुआत से they met each other for the first time. Your mother was a virgin, your dad was a virgin, they got married. ठीक है, so that's how it usually used to happen in the prehistoric times, 1970s, 80s, okay, 1990s, at that time. Okay, so that's basically monogamous. Okay, now let's talk about the polygamous relationship, जहाँ पे a person has multiple spouses at the same time. Okay, and इसमें basically two forms होती है, polygyny, one man is married to multiple women, and then second one is polyandry, one woman is married to multiple men. But this is usually not the case, because I can guarantee one thing, a woman usually enjoys one man's company fully at the present emotion. ठीक है, that's what she really wants. But there are some cases जहाँ पे औरतों को पसंद होता है कि यार multiple आदमी हो, but it's like very rare. I haven't heard much about this इतना. ठीक है, okay, because obviously बात है, women who are like this, like they are frowned upon from the society since the dawn of existence. I'm pretty sure you've heard about that. ठीक है, like women with higher body count. I'm not judging on that. I'm just telling you a societal perspective on how people view them. Okay, who have a high body count, they are frowned upon. Okay, so I'm not saying anything, मेरा कोई take नहीं है, just a normal observation as a human being I've made while living in life, that women who have high body count, they're frowned upon from men. Okay, like men don't like them if they are, you know, trying to mate or trying to make them their wife, या फिर वो बच्चे करना चाहते हैं, या फिर they want to make their mother, so they don't really go for women like that who actually have a crazy amount of body count or a crazy amount of that. So yeah, men usually don't fall for that. Okay, so exactly, polygamy is legal in some countries and cultures but illegal in many others. Okay, it's usually how it goes. ठीक है, तो अब एक चीज ना आपको समझनी पड़ेगी. One second, this fucking bitch calls me at the wrong time. Okay, so that's how it usually goes, monogamy and polygamy. अब देखो, मैं ना आपको एक चीज समझाना चाहता हूँ. I'll tell you one thing, you in your life can never defend her biology. ठीक है, अब मैं इस चीज को क्या कह रहा हूँ, देखो, there are two separate things. Morals अपनी जगह होती हैं and biology अपनी जगह होती है. You cannot invade mating biology. You cannot invade nature. You cannot invade the natural process of the biological grasp of attraction. You cannot touch it. आप इस चीज को छेड़ नहीं सकते. It's within inside of a woman. ठीक है, for example, what I'm trying to tell you is, उससे पहले I would like to talk about one more anecdote of mine. ठीक है, one more anecdote of mine. This is my theory. Listen to it. There is no animal that mates once with one partner and stays with only that partner for its entire life. There is no animal in the entire kingdom, if you talk about mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, okay, arthropods, mollusks, annelids, synedrians, okay, then there is echinoderms, porphyria, मेरे को 9th class की biology याद आ गई, ban, okay, nematodes, whatever it is, like you get the crux of what I'm trying to explain. There is not a single animal species that mates once with one partner and stays with only that partner for its entire life. That's why heartbreak hurts more in human species. ठीक है, अब for example, let's talk about one thing, one more theory. एक शेर है और एक शेरनी है. ठीक है, शेरनी के बच्चे हैं, एक dominant शेर आया, इस वाले शेर को हराया. Now he has the control over the herd. He won't be crying for 6 months drinking alcohol कि मेरे साथ ये क्या हो गया. He won't be crying. He just accepts that. That's fate. That's nature. That's biology acting. ठीक है, and humans have made this too complex because they have induced the concept of monogamy. ठीक है, now you might come up and bring up the argument, if that's the thing, तो फिर मेरे को एक बात बताओ आदित्य भैया कि हम तो humans है ना, we are intelligent, right? हम तो बहुत smart है ना, so why are you comparing us with animals? I'll give you one simple thing. If you think you are intelligent, okay, why are you scared about the fact that your girlfriend might leave you? Why are you worried about the fact that these girls are not loyal? Why are you worried about the fact that women change? Why are you focusing so much on the prospect that I've taught, that 1% attachment rule लेके चलो, because you cannot fight biology? Exactly my point. You cannot fight biology. Let me prove my point to all of you. Let me prove my point to all of you. Now, what do I mean by your girlfriend is micro cheating on you? please pay attention to what I'm trying to say. The reason why I said your girlfriend might be micro cheating on you is pretty fucking simple. For example, if you want to take a test, I'll be very honest with you. You know, someday just do one thing. Go out with a girl, okay? Any random girl, like let's say your friend, whatever, कोई भी आपकी normal है, दोस्त है, go out with her and make her sit with a man in your circle that is in some sense superior than you, okay? Superior than you, ठीक है? So one thing I've observed is that women aged between 18 to 22, these women tend to nurture, change and get performative in front of males that they think are mate worthy, okay? Mate worthy, okay? Women who are usually young, because I'll tell you one thing, their biology is acting, okay? And it's not a new thing, boys, please believe me, it's not a new thing. Don't feel depressed about that. It's not a new thing. It's basically similarly like you. For example, if I'm talking about you, let's say you have a girlfriend, okay? You have a girlfriend, okay? And it's been 3 years of relationship. I made you see a very hot Switzerland woman, let's say a very hot Swiss girl, okay? And she's very white and she's smiling at you, looking at you, and your biological imperative of being a man would react out, okay? It doesn't really have to be कि you would have sex with her. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying कि तुम्हारा biological persona act out करेगा after seeing that woman. That's exactly what happens in females as well. They are no different. They are no different. I'll be very honest with you. I'll tell you one thing. अगर आपको अभी भी ऐसा लगता है ना कि what I'm trying and what I'm trying to say is something that I'm lying, believe me, I have no fucking interest in lying to people. I have just one simple rule in my life. If I have an observation, if I have a solid observation and a solid proof and a solid theory, I make a fucking video on that so that other people actually knows what's happening. Okay? The sole reason why I made this 1% detachment rule with any single person you're committed or dating is because this primal biology exists. I'm getting deep into that rule right now and I'm telling you why it should be there, because you never know when this primal biology acts. Okay? The crazy part is that the level I talked about, for example, मैंने अभी बात करी कि आपको नहीं पता, ठीक है, कि आपकी बंदी कैसे उस body posture को change करेगी. Have you seen that? I've seen so many times. I've met so many girlfriends of my friends in my life. Every single time I used to crack a flirt or a joke or something that has anything related to her feeling good, she always smiled. She always fucking smiled. She always reacted कि in a way कि मेरे को बुरा लगेगा अगर मेरी बीवी ऐसे react करे किसी और आदमी के सामने. That's something I've felt personally, ठीक है? And if you actually think I'm lying to you, if you actually think I have any interest in, you know, कि मैं आप लोगों को demotivate करूँ, no, I have zero interest in that. This is a practical channel. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ truth bombs spread करने में ही believe करता हूँ, ठीक है? I have literally no fucking मतलब मेरा कोई intention ऐसा नहीं है कि यार मैं आप लोगों को बुरा feel करवाना चाहूँ या फिर मैं आपको misguide करूँ या फिर mislead करूँ. I am telling you because this generation we are living in is properly going to be biological, primitive, I would say कहीं ना कहीं guided properly. And I'll tell you a lot of reasons for that, but पहले I hope you understand the crux of it, ठीक है? Let me summarize this for you. Like I said, your girlfriend is probably micro cheating on you and you don't even realize. And how it's possible? Maybe she's watching reels of a man, okay? And she don't know about that. You don't know about that. She's watching a man on her Instagram feed, okay? If you want to test that, go and check the blend. I have a very beautiful way of testing whether what she literally is. आप अपनी girlfriend के साथ ना blend join करना, ठीक है? Instagram blends. Just see the type of reels she likes to like. See the type of reels that she interacts with, okay? See the type of reels that she actually like to see. आप एक चीज देखोगे, there would be something fishy. There have to be a fishy reel, like when he's loving me, but I'm missing my ex more. When he's texting me, there has to be something like that. And I'm pretty sure there are men who has experienced that. Please, अगर आपने चीज experience करी है, आपने blend में एक fishy reel देखी है अपनी girlfriend की, not just once, a lot of times, that shows a lot about her behavior because algorithm suggests you what you want. Instagram algorithm suggests you what you want, ठीक है? Algorithm आपको हमेशा suggest वो चीज करती है जो आपको चाहिए, okay? Just give me 1 sec, okay? Just give me 1 sec. Okay, back to topic. So sorry, a random call came, ठीक है? तो when you, यार बहुत छोटी चीज है ना, ये बोलने के लिए तो बहुत छोटी चीज है ना, algorithm check करो, blend check करो, लेकिन आपको ना reality पता चलेगी अपनी girlfriend की, what she usually is into, what she likes and all of that. Because पता है क्या है? Bro, I'm not saying your girlfriend is a cheater, ठीक है? I'm not even saying कि ये relationship fail हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ. मैं बस आपको warn कर रहा हूँ. मैं बस आपको एक safe box में डाल रहा हूँ. मैं बस आपको एक reality के box में डाल रहा हूँ. आगे whatever you want to do is your choice. I'm no one to tell you what to do, okay? I'm just putting you in a safe box. I'm just giving you a perspective of things, okay? Now let me tell you one thing. Because मेरे पास एक और theory है, so please fucking pay attention to it because it's not just a theory, it's my years and years and years of experience in this horizon, okay? Now, because the animal kingdom, I'll tell you one thing. None of these are obliged to with each other. None of of these animals are obliged to be with each other for the rest of their life. That's why there is no such thing as heartbreak here. ठीक है कि भाई 4 साल का. Have you ever seen a mammal? Let's talk about elephant. Have you ever seen an elephant getting drunk in the pool and saying मेरी हथेली कहाँ गई यार, बेंच मेरी हथेली भाग गई. Have you ever seen that? Have you ever seen a giraffe doing that? यार वो मेरी लंबी setting मैच, मेरी लंबी setting कहाँ गई यार. What would miss that? Have you ever seen a dog doing that? भाई मेरी कुत्तियाँ चली गई यार. No, you see that dog in the next street fucking another bitch, bro. What the fuck? You feel me? So monogamy is a concept that humans induced because they have morals, okay, and they are intellectually better than animals. This is the reason why monogamy exists in this world. It is not a biological थप्पा on human beings कि आपको monogamous रहना ही रहना है. Biology never in your life said कि you are supposed to mate just with one or a girl. Biology never did. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता, these animals would also had the same principle, but ऐसा नहीं है. Monogamy is basically a moral concept, ठीक है, a moral concept, ठीक है, जो कि humans induced moral concept, जो कि human induced to keep the society functioning and to keep the love feeling alive. That's the reason. But this usually is not working in this era right now, and the practical reason for that is because our generation, Gen Z, the way it has been getting raised is by the Netflix series where the man cheats oftentimes and the girl is again talking to her. Toxicism is getting spreaded. Drug culture, ठीक है, everything that is morally wrong is getting promoted. और मैं यहाँ पे अगर ये चीज आके बता रहा हूँ ना आपको कि भाई ये चीज actually में exist नहीं करती, तो people attack me, but people won't fucking fix this type of. I'm with morality भाई. I'm with monogamous relationship if that's what you want, ठीक है. अगर आपको loyalty चाहिए, I'm with all of. I'm all for that, ठीक है. लेकिन the problem is, why is it not happening? Why is every other teenager so scared of committing that they would rather have sex? It's because of this only. This fucking bullshit. Our mainstream media, that typical Netflix series that you guys like to watch, Vampire Diaries, used to love one bad look sexy man, then slept with someone else. Similarly, Euphoria, having sex, teens, drugs, whatnot, ठीक है. So we have been raised in a way कि हमारे यहाँ पे ना माइक्रो चीटिंग तो छोड़ो, सीधा चीटिंग होती है और मुंह पे कह के, ठीक है. तो मैं जो आपको इंटेलेक्ट और मैं जो आपको नॉलेज दे रहा हूँ तो बहुत बेटर है ब्रो. इट्स लाइक मच बेटर देन एनीवन एल्स बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग यू अवेयर अबाउट द ट्रुथ ऑफ योर बायोलॉजिकल सेल्फ. सेकेंडली, मेकिंग द ट्रुथ ऑफ हाउ सोसाइटी इज ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग. अब देखो, तो आदित्य भैया आपने मेरे को इतना सब बताया, तो आपका कहने का मतलब क्या है कि यार आई शुड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट लॉयल्टी फ्रॉम अ वुमन. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग लॉयल वुमेन डोंट एग्जिस्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, लॉयल वुमेन डू एग्जिस्ट, बट टू फाइंड देम you have to make efforts, bro. Believe me on that, ठीक है. Secondly, even if they do exist, even if she's fine with you, never ever in your life question and try to challenge biology, ठीक है. You cannot challenge mating biology. If a woman is attracted to a man, she is. You can't do anything about that, okay. Similarly, if you are attracted to a woman, okay, you can't do anything about that. You would feel like that. You're a man, you have a dick, bro. You would feel attracted to a woman. You can't do anything about that. Now, ये आपका moral sentiment होगा कि you choose not to talk to her. ये आपका moral sentiment होगा कि you choose not to go with her. ये आपका moral sentiment होगा कि you choose not to, cheat on your wife or spouse for her. That's your moral sentiment. लेकिन biological world, biology has never said this one single rule in their life कि भाई humans are monogamous. कि that if you had sex with one human being, you tend to live with them. That's just a moral concept. Biology doesn't induce that. Humans made this concept. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you guys that there are loyal women. I'm not against loyalty. I was just teaching you something that a lot of people won't. And once you understand the crux of what I just said, you can never get heartbroken because it's just biology working. Okay? If a man is having sex, okay, if a man is having sex with another woman and the wife is getting disappointed, I don't know why she should be getting disappointed. Instead, you should accept the fact that that's how biology works. You feel me? लेकिन अगर आप वो भी morally committed है उस आदमी के साथ और वो आदमी उस चीज के बाद भी वो सेक्स कर रहा है, then it's fucked up. समझ रहे हो? तो अगर आप morally committed हो and वो morally committed नहीं है, then that's the fucked up part. Don't be with that man. Similarly with a woman, if a woman is having sex with someone, perfectly fine, करो, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, biologically acting. लेकिन अगर आप morally committed हो उस औरत के साथ और वो औरत आपसे तो morally committed है, and then she's doing that behind your back, then it's fucked up. I'm not against biology. I'm against just one simple fact. अगर आपने किसी को morally commit कर रखा है ना, तो please own that shit. If you're not owning that shit, I don't think so. I think you deserve better. Okay, and if your partner is doing that, I think you deserve a better partner. Don't fucking fucking fall in this miserable trap कि यार I would adjust, it's fine, I love that person, I love that human being. Fuck that shit. There is no end to humans in this life. You can always have someone who would listen to you. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like, never in your life settle for less. Okay, and I hope थोड़ी सी biological aspect समझने के बाद तुम्हें थोड़ा सा mental fog तुम्हारा clear हुआ होगा. Now let's talk about another thing. कि okay, आपने मेरे को ये सारी चीज बता दो दिया आदि भाई कि what's right and what's wrong. ठीक है. Now let me know about कि how can I find a woman who is actually wife worthy, because मेरे को एक family बनानी है. ठीक है. That's your question to me, right? Okay. I'll be very honest with you. There are only 3 types of women who can understand, जो कि आपके साथ lifetime monogamous रह सकती हैं. ठीक है. Which is someone who understands traditional roles. अब now look at your mother. She has been raised in an environment and in a way जहाँ पे she was obliged to understand this one fact कि मेरे को ना एक बारी शादी करनी है and I'm gonna be devoting my life to that man, and your parents right now even up to this date has a good relationship. That was traditional roles playing. That's the very first way you can find a woman. Just for example, मैंने एक चीज देखी है, this type of families where the traditional roles are absolutely there is like Sikh communities. In Sikh communities I've seen one thing, that women, a lot of women, they have respect of their dad. ठीक है. तो एक बहुत respectful मैं कहूँगा कहीं ना कहीं कि they give birth to very respectful women. I'll be very honest with you. ठीक है. And that's something I've observed. Like for example, जो community जो मैंने देखा सबसे ज्यादा जिसमें traditional values होती है, Sikh community, man, beyond magnificent. The way those men, those hard, मतलब those masculine men, I absolutely love the energy of Sikh community, man. They are very drid हैं वो बहुत. They're very strong as a community. So they induce very good morals in their children as well. So it's a very good thing. ठीक है. So this और में traditional roles हो वो निभा सकती है. Who understand, who's a virgin, okay, who understands कि if I'm gonna be with someone, तो वो चीज आपको ना morals वो कर, because obviously बात है, animal can't be morally good because he don't know about that. A human can be morally good because he knows about that. So traditional roles actually dictates morals. Someone who's morally uplifted won't cheat on you, won't sleep with someone else, won't be like you know someone who's like giving up for lust, won't be someone जो अपने आप को dictate कर देगा, dedicate कर देगा just because he's horny or she's horny. So someone who has traditional values, someone who's close to God. These are the types where they have conquered that. Okay, the first type is someone who has traditional values. Okay, secondly, someone who understands loyalty because they are wiser now. Heartbroken females. Now the second types are usually those women जिन्होंने एक बारी प्यार करा होता है and they got cheated on. They get disgusted by the idea of commitment, लेकिन they understand the crux of it because they have been heartbroken. Okay, and that's something I have seen. Women who are absolutely like who loved once and did that, all of that, and they get heartbroken. तो उनको थोड़ा सा idea ज़्यादा रहता है and they get disgusted with this fact of men who are cheating. ठीक है. They don't like men who cheat. They actually start looking. उनके लिए ना loyalty एक बहुत और important चीज बन जाती है down the way. ठीक है. इस चीज में इस सिनेरियो में दो चीज होती है. Either a woman get into hookup culture. ठीक है. And secondly, she gets more conscious about her dating choices and starts hating men. एक चीज होती है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. लेकिन this woman, someone who is like heartbroken, let's say a one body count, उसने 4-5 साल प्यार करा था and she's heartbroken. This type of woman also understands loyalty more as compared to a teenager who for जिसके लिए सिर्फ drugs, sex and party school है. ठीक है. इन औरतों से दूर रहो भाई. They are waste of time. They are just walking vaginas. That's it. That's all they will offer. They will offer you nothing except sex. Okay. Might an STD on a good day. Maybe an STD on a good day. Okay. So no point of that. Okay. So we have to look out for women who are like actually wiser after a heartbreak. These could be the loyal ones. Okay. Because they understand the crux of cheating. They understand the crux of loyalty. या तो ये होना चाहिए. तीसरा, women who mastered her love, experience. Now I don't want to suggest that, but that's the third anecdote जो कि मेरे हिसाब से exist करता है in women. For example, I'll tell you one thing. Women who have loads and loads and loads of sex. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if someone's gonna marry her. If someone does, I don't care. मेरा वो point नहीं है. मैं उस चीज को judge करने के लिए कोई नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. लेकिन what I can say is the third type of females who actually would willing to do something like that is someone who has mastered her own lust. Okay. Someone who knows that men don't want anything. All they are seeking for these days is like having sex with them. Blah 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 blah. So they become very picky. They become very picky. And when women who are very picky tend to be loyal as well. ठीक है. तो yeah guys, that was my around like all of it theory की मैं आपको समझा पाया. I hope तुम मेरे 1% रूल को थोड़ा सा in depth में समझ पाओगे. और हाँ, हमारा ये रूल अपना like है ही फेमस कि no matter आप कौन से रिलेशनशिप में जा रहे हो, ठीक है, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में जा रहे हो, हमेशा 1% अटैचमेंट का रूल लेके चलोगे. Why? Because of the same this biological aspect I explained, because you cannot fight biology. You cannot fight biology. You can't do that. ठीक है. And the reason why I use the word micro cheating is because that's happening in most of the relationships and people don't even realize that. So maybe if it's happening for you, you can save yourself some BT in future, because women leave patterns before cheating. They emotionally cheat first. Okay, they don't physically cheat. They emotionally cheat first. So women draw patterns, and the best way to find that out is using her Instagram blend. If there is a mention of X, hookup culture, me when I'm lying perfectly, I am going to cheat on him and he's not aware about that. These type of reels would be in her suggestion. और तुम लोग ना शॉक हो जाओगे मैं कितना एक्यूरेट हूँ यहाँ पे, तुम लोग शॉक हो जाओगे देखने के बाद. So please, if there is any man, ठीक है, जो अभी अभी blend खोलेगा अपनी बंदी को बोलेगा जाके कि bro let's blend together and he finds a fishy reel, please comment करना मेरे को कि यार you were fucking right and I know that I'm fucking right bro. ठीक है, I know that I'm fucking right. You would find something fishy there. ठीक है, and that's how you actually understand that how micro cheating happens. That's how micro cheating happens. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've saved my boys from micro cheating. I'm pretty sure I've equipped you with the knowledge of कि how you can get a loyal woman as well. ठीक है, लेकिन in fact इस चीज के बाद भी मैं आपको कहूंगा कि have this 1% of detachment rule no matter what life throws at you, no matter what happens in your life. Always have this 1% detachment rule because I can guarantee one thing, you would have such a better life if that's how you operate. ठीक है, and crux में बताऊं लाइफ के तो तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ तुम हो. ठीक है, get loyal to things in your life who actually gives you 100% returns. ठीक है, and which is like going to the gym, working on your business, working on your finances, saying no to bad things, saying no to degeneracy, saying no to all of these things. And once you are loyal to all of these things, they will definitely give you 100% return and the life would get better and the quality of women would increase and you live whatever way you want to. ठीक है, तो yeah guys, I am pretty sure मैं आपको इस पूरे segment में बहुत सारी चीज सिखा पाया हूँ. And if you like this video, consider joining my Telegram channel as well because मैं वहाँ पे solely सिर्फ पैसों के बारे में बात करता हूँ. I absolutely love talking about money as well because only two things is the crux of a man's life. Firstly money, second woman. इन दो चीजों के अलावा आती है फैमिली में अभी बात नहीं करता because I am not sure मेरी ऑडियंस में वो लोग हैं who are married and all of that. फैमिली की बात जब करेंगे जब मेरे पास खुद होगी because I'm not experienced on that right now. लेकिन the one thing I'm experienced at is money and women, so I always try my best to teach all of you to become the peak of that as well. ठीक है, so consider joining my Telegram channel, get inside, learn about money, sales, marketing, niches, 8 niches, every single thing. I talk about every single thing. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next banger. Till then, peace, dhyan rakho, take care, keep evolving, keep hustling, keep slaying, and no, they can't fool us. Okay, we live our future. That's all, boys. Gonna see you in the next one. Peace, dhyan rakho, take care, bye bye.